In 1995, a little-known computer programmer in America decided to sell a laser pointer on his website. Now, there's nothing unusual about the laser pointer, except that it was broken. Now, to his surprise, he received a bid of $14.83 for the pointer, but from an unknown buyer. And when he explained that the laser pointer was broken, he was told that the buyer was actually a collector of broken laser pointers. And this led to the creation of a site that specialized in bids, an online auction site. Now, given you're here to learn about e-commerce, you probably have a fair inkling of which site I'm referring to. It's eBay, in case you don't realize. Welcome to the Fundamentals of E-commerce ExpertTrack from FutureLearn. My name is Colin Lewis, and I've been writing and teaching about e-commerce for over a decade. I'm also an e-commerce practitioner. I've run e-commerce websites for over 15 years, from the very large, with close to over £100 million in sales, to e-commerce startups with no revenues and no customers. And I've put my money where my mouth is by investing in e-commerce businesses as well. This Fundamentals of E-commerce ExpertTrack will help you understand how to create an e-commerce business from scratch. Across 12 weeks, you'll learn everything you need to know about e-commerce. The tools, the thinking, and the strategies, everything you need to create and grow your own e-commerce business. And I would say to you, don't worry, no previous experience is required. We're going to build it up from scratch for you. Now, one thing about e-commerce, it's one of the fastest growing sectors in the world. The e-commerce business and industry is booming like never before. And the pandemic has made e-commerce grow exponentially in a really short period of time. And what was unique to a few brands in terms of e-commerce is now pretty much expected by consumers in every single market around the world. And even some of the biggest brands, the biggest household names that we all know, such as Nike, are now making e-commerce the centerpiece of their global strategy. They're actually even closing some of their stores so they can have a direct relationship with their customers through e-commerce. Now, in my opinion, the best thing about e-commerce is not just restricted to a company or a brand. E-commerce is for everyone. And even more important, you can do it from pretty much any corner of the world. I like to say that e-commerce is totally democratic. You can be any age, you can live anywhere. All you need is access to the internet, a browser, some small investment, yes, bit of creativity, definitely some imagination, and lots of determination. So what are we going to talk about here in this Fundamentals of E-commerce ExpertTrack? Well, you're going to learn how to build your e-commerce strategy. And whether you're a large established business who are just trying to start out on your own e-commerce journey, or if you're an individual who's operating from your spare bedroom who wants to create their own e-commerce store and learn how to create a business. These are just some of the things we're going to look at. First of all, we're going to understand how to create a successful e-commerce site by choosing the right platform for your site. You're probably familiar with brands like Shopify or BigCommerce. We're going to talk about that. We're also going to talk about how to create the right product and proposition for the customers, and actually how to get customer traffic to your website and convert them into paying customers. We're also going to talk about people, your customers in other words, and how to select them, how to target them, how to segment them, and even how to write content for them to attract them. We're also going to talk about how to create a great e-commerce experience for your customers by looking at the customer journey and the path and the sequence of interactions the customers will go through as they visit your website and look through all the products and services you have. Now, we're going to talk about some technical bits, like finding out how to get your potential customers, how they find the products they're looking for. We're going to understand how to persuade those customers to buy. and we're going to show you how to create a great landing page and what a great checkout page looks like. And of course, we're going to look at imagery and how you can use great imagery to drive sales on your website. Of course, all successful e-commerce businesses must have a plan to get the product to the customer and into their hands. So we are going to be talking about delivery, order fulfillment, customer service, and of course getting the packaging right so that the customer can get the product in shape and actually enjoy getting the product and opening it when it gets to their home or their apartment. Now, one thing to note in e-commerce, your customers are going to be leaving feedback on your site for the whole world to be seen. We're talking about customer reviews. So getting great customer reviews is essential to attracting and of course retaining existing customers. So we're going to look at the best ways to ensure you get those 5-star ratings. Now, to make this all accessible and easy to understand, we're following 2 simple step-by-step frameworks, what I call the 9 P's and the 4 C's. And we're going to use this right across all of this ExpertTrack so you know where you are on your e-commerce journey. I've used these frameworks in the real world with real customers, with real people, so I know they work. Now finally, this ExpertTrack is really practical. It's going to be good fun to read, and there's going to be have a thread that's going to run the whole way through it, which is I want it to be practical, applicable, usable, and understandable for you. Now, let's get started. But before we do that, I want to start by asking you one important question, or maybe 2 important questions. If you had a chance to sell something online, something truly special, something that makes your site stand out from the crowd, what would it be? What would the thing that you want to stand out from the crowd be? Any ideas? Right, let's get started on the fundamentals of e-commerce.